Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to send a poll in Microsoft Outlook. Ladies and gentlemen, there are a few ways that you can actually create a poll in Microsoft Outlook. So this is the browser version, but if you have the desktop app, you will be able to go up and click on New Mail, and you'll be prompted with another window. We're just going to open it up in full screen over here, and here you'll be able to see, if you go to Insert, you'll see a poll option over here. But this is not the app version. This is not the desktop app. This is the browser version. So in the browser version, you can go to Options, Insert, and then Apps, and then here you will find Get Add-ins, right? So once you go into Get Add-ins, you'll be able to find Polls, which is an add-in that you can add onto here. And essentially what that will do is it will give you the opportunity to now be able to go and type in poll over here. And this is the option that you'll see, polls for Microsoft Forms. And now basically, if you go and add this, you will be able to add polls onto your email account or onto your email as you're sending it in Outlook. But the problem is you will need to have either a work or school account. So if I go in here and I say apps and into polls on the right hand side, you see this is the problem that it gives me. I cannot access this. Now, the last and final thing that we can do here to actually do this using the browser version, which is the free version, is if I go into Google Forms or any other type of form, I can do it exactly like this. Now, I've got a poll over here. So this is my Outlook poll, and you can add a description. And what day of the week should we name official grab a cold one at work day? So we've got Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and we've made it a required field. We've made it multiple choice, and up here we can just say publish, and we can just say everyone or anyone with the link. You can manage the permissions over here, but you basically just want to keep it as everyone with the link can access it. Just go ahead and just say publish, and now you can see top right hand side, here is your link. You can say copy. We're going to go back into our email now. We're going to set that in over there. You can now add some recipients as well as a subject. And what will essentially happen is when this is opened, we will now be able to go ahead and we'll be able to just open the link, and it'll take us to that form. And that form will essentially allow us to use it as a poll.